Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the basics so you can isolate the issue quickly. Check signal bars, make sure airplane mode is off, and verify Wi-Fi strength. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear transient errors. Next, toggle cellular data and Wi-Fi calling in settings so the phone re-registers with the network. Make sure iOS and carrier settings are up to date, because versions often fix call bugs and improve network handoffs. Once those steps run, refresh deeper networking components to clear persistent faults. You should reset network settings to restore DNS, APN, and Wi-Fi profiles. Note this removes saved networks, so have passwords ready. If the problem persists, power down, remove and reset the SIM, or borrow another SIM to test carrier issues. Make sure call forwarding and silence unknown callers are off. Then perform a soft reset so the phone reinitializes services and reestablishes clean connections. To finish, make targeted tests. Call on Wi-Fi versus cellular to see which path fails, and use FaceTime audio to gauge device audio versus network issues. If one path fails, contact your carrier to check provisioning, SIM profile, or outages. Carriers can push updates that fix voice registration. If carrier support and Apple Diagnostics cannot resolve it, back up and restore the iPhone to rule out software corruption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.